Welcome to our tutorial on the ServiceTitan mobile app. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can transform your field service management. Let's start with an overview of the app's main features: scheduling, dispatching, and field tech management. Now, let's dive into the scheduling interface, where you can create and manage appointments easily. Here's a step-by-step guide to effectively dispatch technicians to job sites. Use the mobile app for real-time updates and seamless communication with your field technicians. You can easily monitor technician performance and job progress through the app. Let's go over some tips for optimizing your scheduling to reduce travel time and increase efficiency. Here are some best practices for using the dispatching feature to balance workload and resources. Let's look at some case studies showcasing successful field tech management using the app. To wrap up, we've seen how the ServiceTitan mobile app enhances scheduling, dispatching, and technician management. Start utilizing it in your daily operations.